Hi students, yes, in the previous class we discussed about the first lesson, else and or else. Else and or else. I hope you understood something regarding else and or else. Even I told to complete the exercise number 1. I don't know how many students finished. Okay. Although once again I am going to complete the exercise number 1. 2 already sentences are, it means examples are completed. Let's see third example. What is the third example is there? Go and read. No other person had a dog like a mine. So this sentence, how to use else? We have to use what? Else. So let's see how. Nobody, you have tried this line. Nobody else. Don't use that. Try to continue. Nobody else had a dog. Just you have to continue. A dog like mine. So no other place. In that place we have tried nobody else. No other person place nolaga ನಾವು ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ nobody else ಬರೋದ್ರೆ it's the right thing. Is it understand? Let's see fourth example. What is the fourth example? All other people have a ration card. All other people have a ration card. So what do you have right? All other, we are just going to underline. All other people have a ration card. So how do you write that one? Yes, of course you know that everybody else the ration card, BPL card or APL card, whatever it may be, all persons have, has the ration card. So how you write it? Everybody, you have to write this line. Everybody else. So everybody else have, it means has, you have right here, has, okay, then a ration card. This like here we may write. All other people, okay, have a ration card. So at the moment everybody else has a ration card. That like we may change. Let's see fifth one. What is the fifth one? Ask some other person. Ask some other person. Just you are going to underline the words some other person. Underline that first. Ask some other person to lend it to you. So how do you write it? Ask someone else. You may write that like, what is that? Someone else. You may write that like, ask someone else. Ask someone else to lend it to you. This like you may write. Ask someone other person. In that place we have to use someone else. Okay. Sixth one. You must see some other person. You must see some other person. You must see some other person. So how you write it? You must see How may I write? Yes, someone else, of course, that like someone else, someone else. Okay, this like you may write. You must see someone else. Seventh one. Have you any other thing to say? Have you any other thing to say? Question mark. Question mark is there, na? Yes. Have you anything to say? So anything, any other thing. Okay. What is that? Any other thing. What you have written? Have you anything else to say? How you write it? Have you anything else to say? Anything else to say? This like you may write. So let's see eighth example. May I stay at home? May I stay at home? Home. Other person. Some other person. At home. What is that? May I stay at some other. At some other place. At some other place. So I will write it. May I stay at somewhere else? You may write that like somewhere else. Somewhere else you may write that. Is it as this like you have to write? See here, no other person, nobody else. All other, everybody. Some other person, someone else. Some other person, here also same. Someone else. Here anything, so any other thing is there, you have to write anything else. Then here, some other place is there, in that place we have to write somewhere place. Just look at the first page, some other place, if is there. Okay, some other place is there, what we have to write? Some other place, yes, somewhere else, is it right? When you observe the first page, automatically, easily you can do it. Okay, let us see some more examples in the first exercise. Next example is there. What is that? What other thing must I say? Ninth one. What other thing? What other thing must I say? So what other thing? So other thing is there. Other thing, what you have written? Other thing. Anything else? What you have to write? What else must I say? What else must I say? You may write this like. Okay. How you have to write? What other else? That like you have to write. What else must I say? 10th one. What other place can I go to? What other place? What other place can I go to? Can I go to? Can I go to? So here, what you have to write? What other place? Other place. So what you have to write? Other place? Yes. Where else? Okay. What else I must say? Where else can I go? What you have to write? Where else can I go? You have tried that line. Where else can I go to? Okay, 11th one. So what other person is coming with you? What other person is coming with you? So here, how to write it? Who else? So the person is there, na? Who else? You are right. Who else is coming with you? Who else is coming with you? That like you may write. Who else is coming with you? So next, 12th one. 12th one is there. In what other way? In what other way? Okay. Can I do it? Can I do it? So, what other way? So, just look at the first page. Other way. What you have tried? How else can I do it? How else can I do it? Isn't it? So, this like you may write. Next, 13th one. What other person did you speak to? What other person speak? What is that example? What other person did you speak to? Did you speak to? Okay. So how you write it? Rewrite it by using the else. For example, okay, did you speak? Who else did you? What you have written? Person is there, na? Who else? Who else did you speak? Did you speak to? Who else did you speak? That like you may write. Let's see 14th example. What is that 14th example? What other thing could I do? What other thing could I do? So what you are trying to? What? Anything else? You may write what? What else could I do? What else could I do? 15th one, last one is there. In the first exercise. Has he some other thing to tell us? Yes, how you write it? Has he coming? Has he something else? What you have written? Something else to tell us. This like you may write. This like the first main you may write. Rewrite the following sentences using else. Using what? Else. Total first exercise is completed. So let's see one more is there. The possessive case of else. What is that next? Possessive case of else. possessive case of else. The statement is there, just go and read. Since else is felt to be firmly tied to the word coming before it. Word coming before it, correct possessive form anyone else sounds unnatural. The accepted form in the current English is anyone else. Here WhatsApp ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪೊಸೆಸಿವ್ ಕೇಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫರ್ಮ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ಲಿ ಟು ಟೈಡ್ ದಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್. Word coming before it, we have to use else. Correct possessive form of anyone else sounds unnaturally. So anyone else, it is a unnatural sounds. The accepted form in the current English, anyone else. For example, look that some examples are given. I took someone else hat. Okay, second example, anyone what else, anyone else's pocket picker. Okay, was anyone. Third one, no one else's parents were invited. See here, so else, just else before word coming before it and the possessive anyone else sound unnatural. Anyone else it is unnatural. So in that place we have to use what? I took someone else's hat. Was anyone else's pocket picked? Okay, then no one else parents were invited. So this like a total 10 examples are there. What you are trying, same thing. Rewrite the following sentence using else. In the first, how you done that, like second exercise also you have to done. Is it understand? So exercise 2. Exercise 2 is there. What is that? Rewrite following sentences using what? Else. So many examples are there. 10 total 10 examples are there. I think this some other person's hat. So some other person's hat. How you write it? Someone else hat. That like here, right? I think this is someone else hat. Is it right? So next, was any other person's umbrella lost? Second example that like was anyone was anyone's umbrella lost. Next, no other person or luggage was opened. Is that like? Okay, no other person's luggage was opened. How you write? Nobody else. Okay, nobody else luggage was opened. That like you may write. So just 10 examples are there. You have to finish. It's a homework. Complete the exercise number 2. In the next class, I will discussing about exercise number 2, how to make. Okay, homework is what? Complete exercise number 2. Is it understand? Okay, see you in the next class.